So welcome back children. Now let us move to the worksheet number 2 of laws of motion. So here we begin with the first question. The linear momentum of a body of mass m and velocity v is. Children, as we know that momentum or linear momentum indicated with the letter P which is given as the product of mass and velocity. Momentum or linear momentum is nothing but the product of mass and velocity of the body. It is indicated with the letter P, which is equals to mv. Well, momentum is a vector quantity. So, the linear momentum of a body of mass m and velocity v is given by P equals to mv. So, where is mv? So, here fourth one is your correct option. Okay. So, now moving ahead with the next question children, second one. The physical quantity which is the product of mass and velocity of a body is known as. So, just now we have discussed what is the product of mass and velocity of a body gives. The product of mass and velocity of a body gives momentum. Hence, the correct option is option number 2, that is momentum. So, let us move with the next question. Question number 3, my dear children. Which of the following is the unit of linear momentum? So, just now we have discussed that the linear momentum or simply momentum is given as the product of mass and velocity. So, indicated with the letter P, which is equals to mv. So, if you would like to represent the SI units of momentum, the SI units of mass is measured in kg, whereas velocity is measured in meter per second. Hence, it is written as kg meter per second or simply kg meter second inverse. So, the correct option is first one, kg meter per second. Get it children? So, let us move the next question, that is question number 4. What is the momentum of a man of mass 75 kg when he walks with a uniform velocity of 2 meter per second? So, what is the given data children? Given mass of the man as 75 kg, velocity of the man as 2 meter per second. So, mass is given and velocity is given. And you are asked to find out the momentum of the man. So, momentum of the man is nothing but mass, product of mass and velocity. Substituting the values, value of mass is given as 75 kg and velocity is given as 2 meter per second. So, 75 times of 2 is 150 kg meter per second. So, correct option must be option 3, that is 150 kg meter per second. Okay. So, let us move to the next question children. So, fifth one. What will be the momentum of a toy car of mass 200 grams? So, now it is given in CGS units 200 grams. Moving with a speed of 5 meter per second. Here mass is given in CGS system, whereas speed is given in SI system. So, let us convert it and then solve it. So, what is given children? It was given that mass of the toy car as 200 grams, and in order to convert this in kg, you have to divide this with 1000 so that it will be turned into kgs. So, simplifying further, 0 zeros gets cancelled, 2 goes 5 times. So, this will be 1 upon 5 kg. So, how much is the mass of the toy car? It is 1 by 5 kg. And what else is given? Speed or velocity. Specify speed in particular direction is nothing but velocity. So, this is given as 5 meter per second. Okay. So mass, let us represent this mass as m, children. Let us represent this mass as m and the speed as v to make you understand. Then the value of momentum must be equals to P equals to mass into velocity or speed in a specific direction. So this is equals to 1 by 5 times of 5. And 1 by 5 it is measured in kgs and 5 meter per second. So after further simplification, this 5 and 5 gets cancelled and hence you are left with 1. Therefore, momentum of the body is 1 kg meter per second and hence option 1 must be true. Okay. So don't forget to convert it into SI system. If you directly take 200 grams, you may not get the proper result. Okay. So first of all, convert into proper standard units and then simplify accordingly. So now let us move to the next question, children. Sixth question. A body of mass 25 kg has a momentum of 125 kg meter per second. What is its velocity? As we know that momentum is equals to mass, product of mass and velocity. This implies P is equals to mv. Now you are asked to find out its velocity. So in order to find the velocity, you have the value of v is equals to momentum. Bring the mass here upon m. So the value of v is equals to P upon m. Okay, velocity v is equals to P upon m. Substituting the value momentum, how much is the momentum given? Momentum is given as 125 kg meter per second. 125 kg meter per second whole upon mass. Mass of the body is given as 25 kg. So solving this further, we have 25 goes 5 times. Okay, hence this velocity of the body is given as how much, children? What is the leftover? It is 5 meter per second. So option 2 must be true. Hope you understood this. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 7. A cricket ball of mass 100 grams. Again here also it was given in CGS system, grams. Moving with velocity 25 meter per second, the momentum of the ball is. So no doubt momentum of the ball is given as mass into velocity. P is equals to mv. So you're asked to find out the momentum itself. So clearly P is equals to how much is the mass, children? Where the value of mass is given as how much? 100 grams. So we have to convert in kgs by dividing this with 1000. Then the gram will become kg. So further simplification gives 0, 0 and 0, 0 gets cancelled. So you are left with 1 by 10 kg. So mass is given as 1 by 10 kg. So substituting those values, instead of mass we replace with 1 by 10 kg and velocity is replaced with 25 meter per second. So solving this, we have 25 upon 10 is 2.5 and units of momentum is kg meter per second. 2.5 kg meter per second goes with the third option. Okay, children. So now let us move to the next question, that is question number 8. Two bodies. How many bodies? Two bodies, A and B, of same mass. Mass is same. Are moving with velocities v and 3v respectively. Then the ratio of their momentum is. As we know that momentum is given as product of mass and velocity. So momentum indicated with the letter P is equals to mv. You are asked to find the ratio of their momentum. So ratio of their momentum, first momentum let us indicate with the letter P1, next momentum P2. Then mass M1, M2 and velocity for first one V1 and V2. So P1 is equals to M1 V1. So this implies P1 is equals to M1 V1 and P2 is equals to M2 V2. So let us divide this equation 1 with 2. 1 upon 2. 1 LHS is P1. 2 LHS is P2. P1 by P2. Here you have M1. Here you have M2. M1 by M2. V1 by V2. So this is your formula. It asks you to find the ratios of the momentum. So substituting these values, children, how much is the mass is given? Same mass. If M1 is M, M2 is also M. What is V1? V1 is given as V and V2 is given as 3V. Simplifying this further, you have VV and MM gets cancelled. So you are left with 1 by 3. Therefore, the ratios of momentum is found to be 1:3. Hence, fourth option must be true. Okay, children. So, with this, we have completed with the worksheet number 2 of laws of motion. I hope you understood very well. Okay. So, practice, children. Take care.